Looking for efficient and versatile electric heaters to enhance your cooking experience? This video features the best electric heaters for cooking, ideal for fast and even heating in the kitchen. Whether you're boiling, frying, or simmering, these top-rated models are designed to deliver precise heat and energy efficiency. Check the description box for direct links to each product, so you can easily choose the perfect electric heater for your culinary needs. IMUSA USA GAU80305 Electric Single Burner. At number 1, we have the IMUSA GAU80305 Electric Single Burner, providing portability and convenience, allowing you to cook anywhere there's a plug. Its 1100-watt coil burner features a temperature-regulating knob that helps distribute heat evenly across the cooking surface. Ideal for small spaces like dorm rooms, offices, or even outdoor gatherings, this burner is compact and easy to use. The power indicator light ensures safe operation, while non-slip rubber feet prevent sliding during use. Its sleek black design is both functional and space-saving. The unit is designed for easy cleanup with a removable drip pan and should not be used for more than 60 minutes in a 2-hour period. Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF Cast Iron Burner. The Elite Gourmet EDB 302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner delivers versatile and reliable heating for various cooking needs. It features 2 non-stick cast iron plates, one 6.5-inch and one 5-inch, which are easy to clean with a damp cloth. With a total power output of 1500 watts, this burner heats quickly and efficiently, offering adjustable temperature settings for optimal heat control. Perfect for home, office, or camping, it includes dual power indicator lights and non-skid feet for added stability and safety. The compact design ensures portability, while the efficient heating system makes it ideal for preparing meals or keeping food warm. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle. Third on our list is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle, offering versatile cooking options with reversible cooking plates, smooth on one side for griddling and ridged on the other for grilling. Powered by 1400 watts, it features 2 independent cooking zones with adjustable temperature controls up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for preparing breakfast, lunch, or dinner. The 180 square inch non-stick cooking surface is large enough for family meals yet compact enough for easy storage. The plates are dishwasher safe, ensuring effortless cleanup, while the drip tray is also dishwasher friendly. With its versatile design, this grill and griddle combo is a must-have for any kitchen, offering a range of cooking possibilities for various meals. CUISINART CB30P1 Cast Iron Single Burner. The CUISINART CB30P1 Cast Iron Single Burner features the heavy-duty cast iron plate, offering durable and efficient cooking power with a 1300-watt output. Its 6-setting, adjustable thermostat allows precise heat control from low to high, making it ideal for a range of cooking tasks. The coil-less cooking surface simplifies cleaning, while the brushed stainless steel housing adds a sleek touch. Non-slip rubber feet ensure stability during use. With an indicator light that shows when the burner is in use, it's perfect for dorm rooms, RVs, or small kitchens. Its compact design makes it easy to store, while the powerful plate offers consistent heat for various cooking needs. DUXTOP LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop. At last, we have the DUXTOP LCD Portable Double Induction Cooktop, the versatile and efficient cooking solution featuring 2 independent heating zones with adjustable power and temperature settings. This cooktop has a sleek, full-glass surface that's easy to clean and includes a touch control panel with an LCD display for precise adjustments. It features a 10-hour programmable timer and safety features like overheat protection and auto pan detection. With 1800 watts of power on the left burner and 1000 watts on the right, it offers fast cooking performance. Its compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring convenience and portability. Goodbye for now. We hope this video helps you find the perfect cooking electric heater. Remember to subscribe for more tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.